I found an anti-sweat product. This is a facial antiperspirant. It's from Neat 3B. It's their Face Saver Gel. So I actually tested this out. I have an internship around 8 to 5 p.m. But here are some clips for reference. And kita nyo naman, I didn't sweat at all. So of course, if you're super pawisin, this is for you. I hope this helps. Bye!
Hindi ito sponsored guys, but more on my honest thoughts about this trending product dito sa TikTok. Ito yung Neat 3B Face Saver Gel. It is actually a facial antiperspirant primer for active or sports people. Ibig sabihin guys, it helps to reduce skin from sweating caused by stress or hindi kaya sa humid and warm weather. Based naman sa experience ko sa paggamit itong Face Saver Gel, ginagamit ko lang to kapag alam ko na yung pupuntahan kong event guys is talagang magpapawis ako or mainit talaga yung paligid. And to be specific, ginagamit ko to sa T-zone area of my face. And of course, meron ako dalawang observation nung ginagamit ko yung product na to. Unang-una, hindi basta-basta maguhulas yung makeup mo kapag ito yung ginamit mo as your primer. Pangalawa, hindi ka basta-basta dito papawisan kapag ito yung ginamit mo as your primer.